Why are you cheating on me?
Are you ringing me?
Excuse me? I'm talking to you about you cheating on me and you're just gonna ignore me like that?
And we're spending time together.
Spending time? Who are you even talking to? I cannot believe you're still talking to the same girl from last week.
She said, I want a nigga who be honest, want a nigga who can show me that he different from the others, want a nigga who can show me that he worth meeting my mother, want a nigga who can show love, not just undercovers of my expectations too high, want a nigga I can trust, will never say bye, cause frankly I'm getting tired of this love thing, same thing, niggas wanna hit and then abortion. I'm looking for a friend, F a hood nigga, real nigga, want a real man. Don't get mad niggas, me, I'm tryna make you understand. Tryna help you treat your girl right, be a better man, or maybe I'm too basic, cause the only time you tell me you love me is when I'm naked, and that shit hurts my dog. But since you won't listen, I'll just put it in a song. She said roses are red, violets are blue. I'm looking for true love, could it be you? Vibe with me, survive with me, lie with me, but never lie to me, lie. She said roses are red, violets are blue. I'm looking for true love, could it be you? Vibe with me, survive with me, lie with me, but never lie to me, lie. And he said, I want a shorty who be patient, want a shorty who can see that I'm tripping and tie my laces. Look, I don't care if you imperfect, just promise me if I put a ring on it, you'll be worth it. Cause niggas hurt too. No promises of Gucci, but I never hurt you. No, never. Me being nice should make you feel clever. I'm just tired of all these bad lies, bad vibes on my past life. Thinking I'm a playground, I'ma let you slide, so be real with me. Just tell it like it is, tryna keep my teeth fresh, so don't sugarcoat things. She said, so he said, and she said, so he said, then she said, so he said, and she said, and then he said. She said roses are red, violets are blue. I'm looking for true love, could it be you? Vibe with me, survive with me, lie with me, but never lie to me, lie. She said roses are red, violets are blue. I'm looking for true love, could it be you? Vibe with me, survive with me, lie with me, but never lie to me, lie to me.